Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and these are the Easy Dose pill pouches. These are little reusable plastic bags that are just the perfect little size for lots of different things, but of course these are designed for pills, and they're really nice because they have enough room in them for several pills, and also it has a spot where you can write the day and whether you take it at AM, PM, or other. So if you help someone else organizing their medications, this will help to know when they need to take it, or if it's for yourself and you want a reminder, then you can write it right there. And it's great if you prepare your pills ahead of time so you can just have them in little pouches and they're ready to go to take on the go with you, or if you're traveling. And we also use these little pouches for all kinds of stuff. These are just great for organizing little parts. My husband does a lot of mechanical work, and sometimes he has like little tiny screws or nuts or bolts or whatever, and looking for a great way to organize them. These are awesome because you can write on this and it is just a really nice little size. So we are really happy with these little pouches. No matter what you use them for, they're super handy. Would definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.